Hey guys, once again welcome to my channel and thank you for passing by. Today I'll be making an easy corn omelette. Our first step is to boil our sweet corn for 10 minutes or rather till it's tender. After the corn is ready, we are going to strain the water and put the corn in a bowl. On to our next step. I will prepare the rest of the ingredients needed for this recipe. I'll chop a small onion and cut some bacon strips. And so now our ingredients are ready. We have our pre-boiled sweet corn, our chopped onions, bacon, and our 3 eggs. Now we are ready to start frying the omelette. First of all, we start by throwing a good slice of butter in a hot pan and we fry our onions till they are golden brown. Afterwards, we'll season with a little bit of salt and pepper. And guys, the rest of the video is quite detailed and self-explanatory, so I know if I live here, you guys will do this without any problem. And just like that, this omelette is ready to serve. Thank you guys for watching, and remember to subscribe, like, and share this video. See you soon and stay safe. Bye.